Alright, what's up? This is Rudy, doing a bike check. Starting off with the grips. I got AME minis, the mini ones, yeah, whatever. I got tree bar ends, those special ones that thread on. I got tree branch bars, 8-inch rise, 27 width. They're nice. I got a haro stem, a DK compression bolt. I got a BSD integrated headset. And then I got Odassey Classic Dirt forks. I'm getting some new ones because I bent them when I was grinding. I got a haro front tire 2.20, and then I got a Odassey hasert light rim hoop laced with shadow spokes and I don't know what kind of chrome nipples. I got a haro front hub. I laced it up yesterday. No, I laced it up Sunday. Yeah. And then I got a 2009 DK reaction frame. I got the stock DK C-clamp spray painted blue. I got a haro railing seat post. And then I got a DK seat. I got haro cranks, haro pedals. I got profile BBs that are all messed up and broken. I'm about to get new ones tomorrow. I ordered new parts off Dance Comp and they should be coming tomorrow. That's why I'm doing a bike check right now, so you guys can see what I was riding before and what I'm gonna have tomorrow. I got a fit sprocket, 25 tooth. I got a KMC cheap chain from Walmart. Just been riding on that since my half link chain broke. And then I got a 9-tooth driver in the back. It's a Spunic rewind hub. I'm getting a new one tomorrow. And just stock spokes and Viper rim hoop. And then my tires, those kendra whatever crap, 20 by 2.5. Right there, I don't know, yeah. It's pretty nice, my bike. It's like altogether it's 25.5 pounds. My top tubes are 20 by 20.75 top tube. Yeah, it's nice. Alright, well, that's my bike check, and then tomorrow when I get my new parts I'm going to throw it on and then I'm going to do another bike check so you guys can see what I got. Alright, peace out.